Hello everyone, welcome back to English chapter. Today, in this video, we are going to listen to a powerful motivational story called Rise When You Fall. You will hear the story of a person who had a big dream, worked very hard, but failed and lost everything. They felt sad, weak, and wanted to give up. But something changed. They remembered their dream, found new strength, and rose again. We will tell this story in very simple English, perfect for A2 and B1 learners. Short sentences, clear words, easy grammar. You can listen, read the subtitles, pause, and repeat every sentence to practice your English. By the end, you will learn new words and feel more motivated. Are you ready to improve your English and your mindset? Let's start the story right now. My name is Mia. I am a young woman with a big dream. I want to start my own small business. I dream of a little shop where I sell beautiful handmade things. Every day, I think about this dream. It makes me happy, but life is not easy. One day, I try to start my business. I borrow some money. I buy materials. I work hard for many weeks. I make many nice products. I open the shop with a big smile. At first, everything looks good. Some people come. They like my things. But soon problems start. Not many customers come. The money goes away fast. I cannot pay the rent. After 3 months, the shop closes. I lose everything. I feel very sad. My heart is heavy. I sit in my room and cry. I am a failure, I think. I am weak. I cannot do this. I want to give up. No more dreams. No more trying. Just stay safe and do nothing. Days pass. I do not eat well. I do not talk to friends. I feel tired all the time. The world looks dark. One night, I look at old photos. I see a picture from when I was a child. In the picture, I am drawing a big shop. I am smiling. Under the drawing, I wrote, "My shop one day." I remember that feeling. The dream was so strong. It made me excited. Why did I forget this? I ask myself, slowly, something changes inside me. I think one failure does not mean the end. Many great people fail first. I remember stories of famous people. They fall many times, but they rise again. The next morning, I stand up. My legs feel weak, but my heart feels a little stronger. I say to myself, I will try again, but this time smarter. I start small. I learn from my mistakes. Why did the shop close? Not enough customers. I did not know how to tell people about my products. So I study. I read simple books about business. I watch free videos online. I learn new words like marketing and plan. Every day, I learn a little more. I make new products at home. I take better photos. I share them on the internet. Friends help me. They share my posts. Some days are hard. Sales are slow. Sometimes no one buys. I feel sad again. Maybe I should quit, the voice in my head says. But I do not listen. I remember the pain from the first failure. I do not want that again. So, I keep going. I work every day. Even when I am tired, I do one small thing. Months pass. Slowly, things change. More people see my products. They like them. They buy. Orders come in. I smile again. One day, a big order arrives. A store wants many of my things. My hands shake with joy. I work day and night to finish it. Now my business is growing. It is still small, but it is alive. I am not rich, but I am proud that I look back. I fell hard. I felt weak and sad. I almost gave up, But I rose again. Each fall made me stronger. Each try made me better. Now I am confident. I know I can face problems. I know dreams take time, that if you have a dream, hold it tight. When you fall, it is okay. Feel the sadness. Rest a little. But then, remember your dream. Stand up. Work hard. Fail again if you must. But never quit. Rising when you fall, that is true strength. You are stronger than you think. Keep going. Your success is waiting. Never give up.